Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can motion track in Capcut. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Capcut application on your personal computer and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open the target project and you will be redirected to the editing window. Now, import the video to your project and place it onto the editing timeline. I will now trim the video to my liking by dragging the endpoints of the video layer. Once done, get to the start of the video and access the text tab. Inside it, add a simple title and type in period. Now, scale it to a bigger size and place it at the center. After that, get to the starting of the video again and place keyframes on the scale and position elements. Then, just get to the first frame from where you want to motion track and scale the video. You now need to place the subject behind this period on the top, and a keyframe will be added automatically. Now, repeat the same process by seeking a little bit after every few frames. Once you are done, click and delete the text layer and then play the video from the start. So that's basically how you can motion track in Capcut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.